Hi there, students. Pizzazz, a noun, a great noun. Pizzazz, I think both countable and uncountable. It's very informal, but positive as well. Let's see. Pizzazz talks about charisma, the quality of energetic excitement, but something that's very noticeable. So show business always has this pizzazz behind it. Shiny lights, loud music, vivacious colours. Yeah? Okay, so pizzazz. Life, energy, liveliness, dazzling style, flamboyance, flair. Okay, so an artist should have pizzazz. If somebody's going to be famous on television, normally they need some pizzazz, some dazzling style, something to make them debonair and energetic with an attractive style. So again, pizzazz with this idea of vigorous spirit, energy and excitement. So the event had all the pizzazz of a ticker tape parade. Okay, all of the shiny lights and style. But notice pizzazz is formal. It doesn't say this is tacky. It says it's really quite good. So pizzazz, energy and strength, but with a lot of style, and is something that's very eye-catching. Flair, vitality and zest. The show had a lot of pizzazz. Everybody was wearing shiny costumes in bright colours and with fast, lively music. Okay, so pizzazz. It's very snazzy. It's got zing to it. Let's see, if you put some spices in this food, it will give it some pizzazz. It will make it much more energetic, much more tasty. It'll give it style as well. Yeah, the chef has a great deal of pizzazz when it comes to presentation of his dishes. They look really, really impressive. Okay, so Pazazz. It's this a person with pizzazz. This is somebody who they've got a lot of flair. They're very good at something. They're very skillful, but it's also very clear to see. It's very loud. It's very show businessy, but they're very good at it as well. Yeah. So I don't know. Yeah, I think Prince had a lot of pizzazz. Yeah, he's very good at showing himself, showing his artistic abilities. So maybe his performance had verve. It was lively and energetic. He was stimulated, and it also had a lot of pizzazz. Yeah, it was very showy, but with flair and with good taste. So, what about formality? I would say this is an informal word. I think I would give it a 4 in formality. Use it in a conversation. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, but no way in something more formal. And then maybe the origin, it probably originates from show business slang, from American show business slang, and then it was popularized by the American fashion magazine Harper's Bazaar in the 1930s. Okay, so yeah, I hope this video's got a lot of pizzazz. Well, the background's very normal. I'm not beautiful and shiny, so only the words could have pizzazz. Maybe verve would be better for that one. So, pizzazz, style, flair, energy. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pizzazz. Pizzazz. Notice there are various spellings to it as well.